guys, welcome to my channel. I just filmed this whole voiceover and noticed my mic wasn't even on, but we're back at it again. So I'm sharing with you this hairstyle that literally almost burnt my house down. Okay, so I did a lot to bring y'all this hairstyle, but it came out so cute. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe and keep on watching. So my hair is already blown out, and you can watch yesterday's video to see how I blown out my hair. And I already have a heat protectant on it, and I used a little bit of the Miriam Hampton hair growth oil, the original one. So we're restocked on that product as well as a lot of your favorite hair growth products on MiriamHampton.com. And you already know I'll give you guys a coupon code. Use the coupon code YouTubeFam for 25% off everything site-wide. So here I am basically trying to film a YouTube video as well as a TikTok and an Instagram. So I was doing it all in this moment. So I was pretty preoccupied and not realizing that I was burning up stuff. But follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Miriam J. Hampton. So I have a lot of hair content over there. I do like crazy story times over there. I do it all. So make sure you follow my other social media platforms as well. So here I am just sectioning my hair off in the back. And in the back, I like to use bigger sections to wrap my hair around the curling wand. So I am using a 1/3, or should I say 3/4 size curling wand. And I basically just take an inch section of my hair and wrap my hair around the wand. So this is a pretty easy process. After I wrap my hair around the wand, I will leave my hair on the wand for at least 15 seconds to let the curls form. And this is going to give you that deep wave / curl look that I like. And I usually will wrap it towards my face in some sections, and in other sections I will wrap it towards the back. So what this does, it basically just gives you that voluminous, super voluminous, super full look. And that's the look we're going for. Y'all know I like full hair over here. Somewhere along the way, I took my glove off, and it's super important to keep that glove on so you don't burn yourself. And y'all, I accidentally burnt my hand because I took my glove off. Now, yeah, so just keep on wrapping it around your hair and it will go pretty fast. You can finish your whole entire head of hair in probably like 20 minutes. So just keep going, wrap, curl, swirl until you get to the point where you need to start spraying your hair down with some hairspray. So the hairspray is basically gonna keep the style in place. So I like to use this one by Suave, and I like this because it's non-crunch. It's non-crunch, and it doesn't make your hair like super hard or anything like that. So I'll link it down below in the description box. But I just spray the hairspray throughout my entire head of hair while I'm still doing the curling process. All right, so when I get to like the middle part of my hair and the front part of my hair, I do smaller sections. So instead of like 1-inch sections, I would do like a 1/2 inch sections. As you can see, the sections are a little bit smaller, and that just makes my hair look more fuller. And I like to go towards my face in the front of my hair. All right, so when I'm all done with all that, I just flip my hair around and spray the hairspray all over until I feel like my hair is gonna stay in place. Now, some people like to brush out their curls. I'm not doing that today. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and eventually it's just gonna fall over time regardless, and just give me that wavy, curly look. All right, so I put a little bit of the Miriam Hampton Edge Control on my edges to keep it a little slicked down. And then I just spray a little bit of the sunflower seed oil mist to give it like a shiny, healthy look. Because although the hairspray is like really good, but it can give it like a super dry look. So we need our hair to get that hydration. So the oil mist definitely gives it that hydration without ruining the style. So I basically almost burnt down the house because I had the wand sitting on this every time crazy. Crazy, do not do that. Please, y'all, do not do that. So this is how the hair turned out. I think it turned out so cute. It almost burnt the house down, but the hair turned out cute, so that's all that matters. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to Miriam Hampton and follow me on Instagram at Miriam J Hampton and at MH Hair Growth. And I will see you guys next time.